2013 Ram 1500 Crew Cab, V6 four-wheel drive. This new V6 has over 300 horsepower, great fuel economy. It's one owner, previous government vehicle. Fleet use, very well maintained and taken care of. It's got a very clean body, good tires, bed liner, 2-inch towing package with both 7 and 4-pin wiring options, locking tailgate, $66,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, clean cloth interior, carpeted floors, automatic headlights, driver information center, cruise control on the steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, tow haul mode, center console. You've got auxiliary input and USB input for the stereo there, as well as a charging input. Nice big back seat. A very clean vehicle. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.